Welcome all. My name is Santoshi Kumari Sajbilli, engineering final year student from Welfare Institute of Science, Technology and Management. My project name is Crop Yield Prediction using data mining. My team guide CH Devi Madam, Assistant Professor from Welfare Institute of Science Technology Management. My team members are S. Pooja, S. Vasvi, S. Presuna. The main motto of this is helping the farmers by suggesting the crop based on soil and weather conditions. Here comes the problem description. Farmers are facing problem because they are not getting the expected yield of their crop. They are unaware of current weather and soil conditions and what type of soils in their lands. They are also unaware of what pesticides are used to protect their crop from different types of insect attacks. An essential issue for an agriculture is to get accurate yielding of their crop. So there is a need of getting knowledge on weather and soil conditions of their lands. Hence we are using some data mining techniques for finding suitable crop based on soil and weather conditions. This will help in increasing the yield production of a crop. We also suggest the farmers which pesticides are used to protect their crop from different insect attacks. By this, the farmer will be more benefited by getting high yield production with more income.
Myself Prasoona. Now I am going to explain the existing system, proposed system and requirements of our project. In existing system, the farmers according to their experience and knowledge doing the work of cultivation manually, but they are unable to predict which crop is suitable for their lands. As they are not having enough knowledge on the soil which is having more fertility, they are using chemical fertilizers for more productivity. Due to this lack of knowledge, it leads to the losing of fertility of the soil in their lands, and they are also unable to forecast the climatic conditions. They seek advice from the research experts. They may or might not be responded in time, so this will take more time for the farmers. And for the better yielding of the crops, the farmers are using chemical fertilizers. Those chemicals are harmful to our human health. To overcome the problems in the existing system, we proposed a solution that by our application, the farmers can find the better crop for the fields depending on the soil and weather conditions. So they could know which crop gives more productivity at a particular season. And if the farmers knew the crop which gives more yield on before they were planting, they can plant that particular crop according to the soil and weather conditions. And it would be more beneficial for them by getting more income. We also guide the farmers for their modern way of farming and the effects that leads to the issues on human health by using chemical fertilizers. Our app also suggests the organic fertilizers required for the soil situation and the pesticides which are to be used against different insect attacks. System requirements. Coming to the software requirements, we used HTML, CSS, Bootstrap as a front end and backend as PHP, XAMPP server, MySQL database, and we also integrated Weather API, Soil API for food and agriculture to our application. And coming to the hardware requirements, 4 GB RAM, 500 GB ROM, Windows 10 operating system, and 16 GB hard disk space, and Intel Core 2 quad processor.
It is our project architecture. Here farmer can requesting for the crop details to the web application. The data will be compared to the soil and weather conditions through the APIs, and the farmer can get suitable crop details for their lands. And farmer can also requesting for the modern agriculture techniques to the web application. The web application provides latest modern agriculture techniques to the farmer. Farmer can ask suggestions to the agriculture experts um, for pesticides and fertilizers. The agriculture experts gives required information to the farmers. It is our project flow diagram. Here farmer can register or log into the web application, and then farmer can requesting for the modern agriculture techniques, or requesting for the crop details, or take suggestions from the agriculture experts. In the modern agriculture, farmer can see latest agriculture techniques in the website. In crop details, he can get suitable crop for their fields. In agriculture experts, farmer can ask suggestions to the experts for pesticides and fertilizers information.
Myself, Vasvi. Now, in our project, we had two different types of algorithm in this project. Uh, Before that, I am explaining the literature survey in our project. The Indian culture is highly differentiated in terms of soil and weather conditions based on growing the crops and the clustering algorithms. Clustering algorithms means that clustering means grouping of a similar data in the different purposes. Soil characteristics are studied and analyzed using data mining techniques such as the K-means clustering is used for clustering of different soils, and the other one is ID3 algorithm is used for forecasting the climatic changes temperature puts on crop production. And now I am explaining the algorithms in our project. A K-means algorithm and ID3 algorithm. In K-means algorithm, they have 4 steps: partitioning the objects into K non-empty subsets, computing the seed points as the centroids of the clusters of the current partition. The centroid is the center of the cluster, and the third one is assign each object to the cluster with the nearest point. Fourth step, whenever the new cluster is arrived, whenever the new cluster is arrived, then only that put is database. Otherwise, go back to step 1. In our project, K-means algorithm is used to find the different types of soils in our data sets using the cluster center as a centroid. Soils they are different types such as red soil, black soil, and so on. And the other one is ID3 algorithm. ID3 algorithm in the step 1 is calculate the entry of every attribute using the dataset. Every attribute means that one variation of the other crops gain in different values. Step 2, split the set into subsets using the attribute for which entropy is minimum. The minimum value is assigned. Step 3, making a decision tree node containing that attribute. Based on the attribute values, draw a decision tree, then give the best decision to the best crop. Step 4, reuse the subsets using the remaining attributes. In our project, ID3 algorithm is used as forecasting the weather condition to suitable for the best crop, giving that more yielding in the particular season based on weather conditions.
This is our home page. The above is navigation bar. In that, home, modern agriculture, about us, register and login. Go through modern agriculture. In this, there are some videos which are related to farming. Those videos give information about modern agriculture. These are helpful to farmers to implement their farm using modern methodologies. Here is the registration form. In that the user can register. Here is username, email ID, password, and repeat the password. Upload profile picture. Here user can upload his picture, otherwise not. State and city, The user will sign up. Here is the login button. This is the login page. The user can log in here through his credentials. This is the profile page. He can edit his profile. Here home button. In this already we have seen modern agriculture techniques. Here is the crop suggestion. This is the main part of our project. Here we can select what type of soil on our land and on which season we are farming. This will give the result. Paddy is the best crop to give more yielding to their crop. Again we will check. Okay, here we select get crop. Paddy and jowar are the best crops which give more yielding. Okay, we can see the result like this. This is the expert page. Through this we can contact with the expert. If we have any queries or suggestions here is the contact number of the expert. We can contact him. This is the inbox. These are the messages which are sent by the users to the expert, agriculture expert. He can view this and give suggestions to the farmers or users. Again, this is the profile page. We can edit our profile. We can change our name or anything or else. Again we click on home, log out. Again we see the same home page.
A special thanks to our guide Devi ma'am and our principal sir. Thank you for giving this great opportunity.